Ready to capture epic moments in 2025? Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a weekend warrior, or just want to document your travels, there's a GoPro for you. From the brand new GoPro Hero13 Black to budget-friendly classics, I'm breaking down the best GoPros you can buy right now. Let's find your perfect action cam. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments. Which GoPro is the best fit for you? I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. GoPro Hero11 Black Mini. If you love the GoPro Hero11 Black, but wish it was even smaller, the Hero11 Black Mini is the answer. This camera packs nearly all the same features and image quality as the full-size Hero11, but in a lighter, more compact body. It's perfect for action sports fans, FPV drone pilots, or anyone who wants a camera that's easy to mount and carry. Here's what makes it stand out. Even though it's technically an older model, it actually has more features and better resolution than the new Hero 2024. That means you're getting more value for your money. The only reason it's cheaper is its age, not its performance. The Mini uses the same optics and processing as its bigger sibling, so you're not sacrificing image quality. Its tiny design makes it a breeze to mount in tight spots, and it's the true successor to the old Hero Session, but with improved attachments and mounting options. The main trade-off is the lack of on-device displays. You'll need to use the GoPro Quick app on your phone to adjust settings, but honestly, for most action sports, you'll just hit record and go. There's still a start/stop button for quick access, and it's compatible with all standard GoPro accessories. If you want top performance in a small package, the Hero11 Black Mini is a smart choice. It's especially great for those who want to keep things light and simple without giving up on quality. Number 2. GoPro Max 2025. The GoPro Max is still a solid 360 camera, even though Insta360's latest models have grabbed a lot of attention. Building on the original GoPro Fusion, the Max brings some big improvements. 5.6K video in every direction, 4 digital focal lengths, horizon leveling, hyper-smooth stabilization, and Pro Tune editing. For 2025, GoPro updated the Max with better battery performance and a universal 1/4 20 screw mount. That means you can use it with any standard selfie stick, which is perfect for 360-degree shooting and vlogging. If you haven't tried 360 video yet, it's not just for VR. You can drag the view, track subjects, and reframe your shots after filming, so you never miss a moment. It's a creative tool that lets you capture everything and decide later what you want to show. Now, Insta360's X5 leads the pack with 8K video, but the GoPro Max is still a great entry point for GoPro fans, especially with the Quick app's new AI-powered object tracking. GoPro is rumored to be working on a new Max 2, but for now the Max holds its own and remains a favorite for many creators. Just a quick heads up, GoPro has teased a new 360 camera, but there's no official release yet. Just some PR stunts and rumors. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use 360 camera, the Max is still a great pick. Number 3. GoPro Hero13 Black. Last year's GoPro Hero 12 left a lot of fans disappointed. It added time codes and Bluetooth mic support, including AirPods, but dropped GPS tracking and didn't improve low-light performance. That's why many people still recommended the older Hero 11 or even the DJI Action 4 as better options. If you need great low-light video, GoPro still isn't your best bet. Look at the more affordable DJI Action 5 Pro. But for daylight shooting and classic GoPro features, the latest model finally brings real improvements. The new GoPro now offers a super high frame rate burst, up to 400 frames per second for 15 seconds at 720p. It's not the sharpest, but it's perfect for social media slow-mo and creative shots. More importantly, the redesigned body runs cooler, so you can record longer in 4K without overheating. This does require the new, larger 1900 mAh Enduro battery, which isn't compatible with older models, so keep that in mind. Mounting is easier too thanks to magnetic fold-out grips that work both ways. Plus, the upgraded clip-in filter and lens mod system now auto-detects attachments, letting the software instantly adapt to wide-angle, ND, or anamorphic lenses. That makes cinematic shots easier than ever, even for beginners. Number 4. GoPro Hero11 Black. When the Hero 12 launched, the GoPro Hero 11 was still our top pick for most people. Now, with the Hero 13 out, it's technically better, but only if you care about longer battery life, the new magnetic mount, extra frame rates, time codes, microphone support, or swappable lenses. The image sensor is the same size as before, so low-light performance hasn't improved. If you mostly shoot in daylight, the Hero 11 Black is still a fantastic choice. But if you need better low-light video, you might want to check out other action cameras. You still get GoPro's excellent image stabilization, crisp video quality, and creative modes like light painting. The Hero 11 Black's unique 8:7 aspect ratio sensor is a standout for content creators, letting you shoot 5.3K video at up to 30 frames per second. This means you can crop your footage into 4K portrait, landscape, or square clips, all from a single video. It also records 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 2.7K at 240 frames per second. Plus, you can pull 27 megapixel stills from your 5.3K footage. For anyone posting across multiple social platforms, the Hero 11 Black remains a versatile and powerful option. Number 5. GoPro Hero 2024. Let's be honest, this GoPro is a tough sell if you're used to the full-featured Hero Black models. But that's not really its purpose, so it comes down to what you need from your action camera. In exchange for its incredibly small and lightweight design, which I'll admit looks great, GoPro has stripped away most advanced features. You get basic 4K video at 30 frames per second, still photos, and slow motion. There's no time-lapse, hyperlapse, night modes, or even in-body image stabilization. If you want smooth footage, you'll have to stabilize it later in the Quick app. For anyone used to the convenience and premium features of the Hero Black, this can be frustrating, especially if you're dealing with lots of footage and tight deadlines. But the trade-off is a camera so light you can mount it on your helmet without it shifting or feeling uncomfortable. That's a big plus for cyclists and anyone who values minimal weight. Unlike some other tiny cameras, you still get a color screen, and with a recent firmware update, GoPro even added a 4:3 video mode for more immersive shots. If you want a super compact GoPro at a lower price and can live without advanced features, this model gets the job done. Just don't expect top-tier stabilization. So, which is the best? For unbeatable features and top-tier performance, the GoPro Hero13 Black is our winner. Future-proof, powerful, and ready for any adventure. Let me know which GoPro you'd pick in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.